Once upon a time, there was an enchanted land far, far away from here. You have heard the story about the king and queen McConnells and how they fought the evil witch that tried to steal their magical items made for the creatures of the land. Well, after the items had turned into dust in the witch's own gnarly hands by the magical spell, she went back into her cave in a far distant land where sunlight never touched the ground. She swore that she would get back on the McConnells, and so she made up a plan. A plan to cast 6 spells on the entire enchanted land and make it as dark and evil as her own heart. And so, she went back to the magical kingdom. With every creature she met, she offered one of the 6 spells. You might think that her witchy appearance would have warned the poor creatures, but she had also cast a spell upon herself, bewitching the creatures that she met to think that she was only there to do good. All 6 spells were now cast, and eternal darkness fell over the kingdom. Called the spells the Mistresses of all evil. 6 enchantments that would bewitch anyone who laid eyes upon them. Do you dare to look? First spell, painting the roses red. Inspired by her queenie friend with an unusually large head. Roses should have the perfect shade of red, and this is the perfect shade for red roses. Second spell, inspired by her witchy sister, Madame Mim, and her purple soul. A dark purple with the mesmerizing shimmer that will bewitch and spellbind you for days. What would an evil spell be without a poisonous apple? Is it a red or is it a pink? The poison might make you a bit delusional. My Pretty is the perfect spell to start argumentations and disputes in the enchanted land. A creamy neutral with hits of purple. No, a grayish mauve. A quarrel that would split the kingdom in half. Poor unfortunate souls. They did not see it coming. A dark cream burgundy wine red that will swallow you whole. This rich berry shade made the land even darker. The last and final spell to put the kingdom under an eternal darkness. A shimmered champagne with a metallic feeling. The white gold and bronze shimmers mixed together was a spell to seal the deal, and evil swept over the land. Daylight to nightfall, a dark shadow slowly devouring every tree, every stone, and every living thing. The day was marked in history, and no one would ever forget November 15th. The once so colorful and joyful land was now in the witch's hands, spellbound by her evil vengeance. But not all hope was lost. As the witch was lurking in the shadows in the darkest parts of the woods, someone or something was preparing, planning to fight back.